The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2021 Chevrolet Trailblazer with the factory installed flush side rail. We have just installed the Yakima SkyLine CoreBar base roof rack system. This is using Yakima's economical aerodynamic CoreBar, 50 inches in length, the SkyLine Tower, which has a quick release feature. So we would recommend picking up a set of locks for this, but not required. And that attaches to the landing pad, which in this case is landing pad 19. That attaches to the flush rail using tamper resistant fasteners. So it does have fixed locations on the backside of this flush rail, and that's 27 3/4 inches. Overall, you have a weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds. For complete details, click on the link in the description below. But we can tell you that from the top of the flush rail to the top of the load bar, you're sitting at about 5 1/4 inches. There's Shelby dog. And yeah, that's just a quick look at this particular fit. You can go with the Jetstream bar. Again, more details are at the link in the description below. And like always, thanks for watching.